Hi everyone, so this is Mel G. Arbon once again, and today I will be discussing to you my understanding about the topic business research, and I will highlight some important points of the lesson. And here we go. So why do we need to conduct research? Well, it is because we have questions, right? And if you want that question to be answered, that's when we do our research. Well, there's different types of questions in research. First, we have description question. So, this answers the question what is or the subject being studied. Second, relationship question. So, this identifies extent of relationships between variables. Third, difference question. So this make comparison between or within group of interest. We also have criteria for selecting a problem. We have interest, significance, and manageability. In research, we also have what we called problem distillation. So it is a refining of the questions to make it specific, clear, and concise. Statement of the problem. It is the problem being studied. Next is delimitations. So delimitations define the scope of the study. And next is the limitations. Limitations is very similar to delimitations, but this one focuses on the potential weaknesses of the study and also the possible shortcomings of the study, because as we all know that as we do the study or the research, there's really always a mistake. It's not perfect and there's always an error, right? Concept of variables. So by the way, a variable is a characteristic of a person or thing that can be classified or can be measured, like attitude, gender, heart rate, and color. We also have classifications of variables. First is quantitative and second is qualitative. So the difference of these two is quantitative can be measured numerically, while qualitative is a categorical in nature. We also have independent variable. So this variable presumed to influence another variable, or this variable is the one that can influence another or the other variable. We also have dependent variable. So this is the variable that is expected to change as the result of the manipulation of the independent variable, meaning this variable is the one who will be influenced by the independent variable or by the influencer. And last, we have extraneous variable. This variable could contribute some type of error in a research study, or this is like a virus in a software or in a computer that it creates error. It's just like that, and it's expected that in every studies and research that there's always error, and that what makes the study challenging or the research more challenging. So I therefore conclude that in doing research, there's a lot of things to consider. Like everything that I mentioned a while ago, it is all very important in doing research. Of course, a mistake or an error is expected, but there's always room for improvement and correction, right? And also, in doing research, you really have to go through the process, because if not, there will be a possibility that the research or the study won't be successful. That's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay at home, stay safe. God bless. Bye.